Hey everyone, welcome back to Cocktail Cards. Today we're going to show you how to make a Tequila Old Fashioned. This version I'll be showing you today was created by Phil Ward, who was working at Death & Co. in New York City. Now, this combination that he uses has a mix of MEZCAL and REPOSADO tequila, which I think gives it a really well-balanced flavor. You do need some bitters. I'm gonna be using ANGOSTURA, but I have made this drink with mole, Aztec chocolate, and regular chocolate bitters, and they're all fantastic. So I encourage you to try different bitters and see which one you like the most. And we're also gonna need some agave for this. So let's go ahead and build out the cocktail. First, we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of REPOSADO tequila. And I'm gonna be using Agua Miel for this one. And I'm gonna be doing a review on this tequila as well here in the future. Next, grab your MEZCAL. We're gonna add 1/2 ounce. Next, we're gonna add 2 dashes of our bitters. And finish it off with 1 bar spoon of agave. Add your ice, and we're gonna give this a stir for about 30 seconds. Go ahead and grab a rocks glass. And I got a nice big clear ice cube I'm gonna drop in there for this one. Let's strain our cocktail. And this is gonna be garnished with an orange zest. Go ahead and squeeze out those essential oils. Rub it around the glass. And there you have it, Tequila Old Fashioned. Cheers. That's really good. So the tequila definitely shines in this cocktail. The MEZCAL adds a little extra smokiness. You get the agave, you get a little bit of the bitters. It's not too sweet, very well balanced, but this is really just a cocktail to highlight the tequila, and it's really, really good. So if there's any of you are tequila fans, you definitely got to give this one a try. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. We're gonna be coming out with tons of new recipes on this channel, so you're not gonna wanna miss that. And thank you so much for watching, but until next time, we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.